I will show you how to separate a joint object on Blender. Thank you so much for being here. It will truly mean the world to me if you hit that subscribe button. Thank you! For example, this bottle object. As you can see, the bottle is a unity object. To separate this, to edit mode, and choose vertex. And then select one of the vertex of the object. Click Ctrl L. Object is selected, we can separate it. Do it again with Ctrl L and separate them. I will fast forward the rest of it. Now the object is already dismantled, but as you can see, all of them are still a single one object. Thanks for watching. Feel free to drop any question in the comments below. And if you enjoyed the video, please like, share, and subscribe to my channel for more content. See you!